Once upon a time, in ancient Egypt, there lived a man named Karun. He was from the people of Bani Israel, the same nation as Prophet Musa. Karun wasn't always rich, he was once a humble man, known for his knowledge and wisdom. But over time, Allah gave him immense wealth, so much that even the keys to his treasure chests were heavy for a group of strong men to carry. Karun's riches were like nothing anyone had ever seen. His clothes sparkled with gold and silk. His house was made from the finest stones. Every day, he walked through the city showing off his gold, his jewels, and his grand horses. People would stop and stare. Some would whisper, "I wish I had what Karun has. He is truly lucky." But Karun was not thankful. When the poor and the wise told him, "Give some of your wealth in charity. Use it for good. Remember that it is Allah who blessed you," he replied proudly. "This wealth is from my own knowledge and hard work." He thought he earned everything himself. He didn't believe he needed Allah. One day, Karun dressed in his richest clothes and went out in front of the people, proudly showing off his wealth. Many were amazed and jealous. But the wise people said, "Don't be fooled by his riches. What Allah has is far better and will last forever." Karun mocked them. He thought nothing could harm him. He trusted only his money. Then, Allah gave him a lesson the world would never forget. As Karun stood in his pride and arrogance, the ground beneath his feet began to shake. People screamed. The earth opened up, and Karun, along with his palace and all his treasures, was swallowed by the earth. Just like that, he disappeared forever. No one could save him. No one even tried. The same people who once envied him now said, "Thank Allah we were not like Karun. If Allah had not been kind to us, we would have been swallowed too."